Welcome back. In today's video, we are talking about tool belt customization. Now, I have a couple items here for you that I think you guys might really like. One, increasing the storage of your bags, and another, potentially eliminating a tool pouch and improving your workflow, something like this. Now, before we get into the video, I have an announcement. I'm giving away all of these items in this video, but the instructions are going to be throughout the video, so don't just jump to the end. Watch the whole video, like and subscribe, and hopefully you get a chance to win some of these items. I appreciate you guys. Let's get into it. Now, let's begin by talking about one of the most functional items on the list, that being the Occidental Canvas Bolt Bag. Now, normally these are meant for iron workers. I think carpenters can take full advantage of this thing. Now, Klein makes a similar product, but I think this one is a little bit more robust, a little bit more sturdy. As you can see, it has leather details where the hooks are, and it has a little leather patch where it attaches to your actual belt, and has a leather insert at the bottom, so it keeps the form of the pouch a little bit better. And also it adds seconds as protection, so if you have sharp objects in here, it's not gonna easily poke through. And also it's reinforced at the bottom, which is really nice. A lot of thought goes into a lot of Occidental products. I can definitely see that when I look at them. Let's talk about the functionality of this thing. This thing is awesome because it's like a mini bucket where you can take this off of your belt easily and then attach a D-ring to it. And then say if you're on the 6th floor, you can lower this down, have somebody fill this thing up, and then have the rope hoist everything back up to you, and so you're not running, from the top floor to the bottom. And also, if you're an apprentice, this thing is really nice because if your job is to, be the helpmate to your journeyman, you can easily hold 4 batteries in here and potentially 6 if you want to risk it a little bit. They might be poking out, not as secure, but you can carry those on you like a pack mule. You don't have to worry about that getting in the way of your tools or your fastener side. So that's nice. It's behind you, so you're not worrying about it getting in your way all the time. If you have some tools that are a little bit longer that tend to be a little bit cumbersome, you can attach these inside these little slots right here, like longer cat's paws or maybe a crescent wrench. So it's going to be behind you, so you don't have to worry about it stabbing your legs or your thighs, which is really nice. So this thing is overall really dope. This thing's actually pretty killer when it comes to demoing like concrete, because you can put in cat heads in here, or you can attach those little triangle pieces, the little keys inside of here. So it's easy to keep everything on you. This thing is pretty nice. I think this is has great functionality. And if you want to win this one, go to the Discord channel and go to the giveaway section and type in the number 39, and that's how you have an opportunity to win this item right here. Now, the next item is the Occidental 5-in-1 tool holder. This thing is awesome. It's all leather, and as you can see, the stitching is really nice. I've heard guys have these for 10+ years and they're still kicking. So if you're a laborer or carpenter alike, this thing is nice. The reason why I like this is because sometimes you have certain jobs like demo or stripping concrete formwork where having a big tool bag is like a negative, right? Where it's hard to get into places and your bags are getting caught on objects. So it's nice to have just this little 5-in-1 and then having your belt with all your tools on it, so you're not carrying your tools like in your hands and constantly moving them back and forth and losing them under different like plywood or losing them under debris. So it's nice to have just your 5-in-1 right here, add your little cat's paw right here, add a hammer. Now, I would put in the lineman pliers into the section, but it scraped it a little bit, and so I don't want to damage anymore. So just know you can put your lineman pliers on there. You have a knife, put that in the little protection place, and then have a place for your pencil. So overall, this thing is really nice and really condensed. And so if you have like demo projects where you don't want a lot of debris falling into your bags, or confined spaces like concrete work, it's nice to have an object like this. Now, if you want to win this item, just go to Discord channel to the giveaway section and type in the number 45, and that's how I'll know you want to enter for this item right here. The last items I'm going to be focusing on, I'm going to have as a bundle because I don't think giving away individually makes sense. And I'm going to start by talking about the Occidental leather tape holder and knife holder. This thing is pretty nice. As you can see, good quality. One downside is this tape holder seems fairly small. I don't know if you need to work it out a little bit more. It can barely fit a 16-footer right now. And again, I put a 16-footer in here earlier and it scraped it up. So I'm going to leave that to you guys. I want to leave this as pristine as possible. But again, it's nice to have, a place for your pencils, a knife holder, and this thing is great for sheetrock. A lot of times you don't need a ton of tools for sheetrock. All you need is these tools on one side of your hip, and the other side you have your fasteners and your gun. So this is where this will come into play. And then I'm going to add in a bullpen holder. This also is good for longer cat's paws and for crescent wrenches. A lot of times when it comes to crescent wrenches or cat's paws, they tend to gouge your legs, especially if they're put in the wrong position. So this gives you a little more customization to put exactly where you want it. And then if you want to, you can probably grommet it in and lock it into place. But this is another nice little addition. And then I'm going to finish it off by just giving you a regular hammer holder. This is just, you know, a run-of-the-mill hammer holder. I'm not exactly sure why this moves, but it does. But it's also nice just the fact that if you want your belt to have, you know, everything pretty much need, this is going to be it right here. And so if you want a chance to win all these items, go to Discord channel and go to the giveaway section and type in the number 57, and that's how I know you want these items right here. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Hit that like and subscribe button, and remember, join the Discord channel for your chance to get some of these tools in the giveaway. If you watch the video, you know how to do it. I appreciate you guys. See you guys next time. Peace.